For all things collectibles, about to do a box break of the SP Authentic 2009 baseball. 3 hits a box. Looking for the Jeter buyback auto. 24 packs, I believe. Got a Platinum Power Roy Oswalt. One of the 20th anniversaries. Got a rookie of David Huff, not numbered. Got a Chin-Min Wong numbered to 299. And a Tiger Woods. Got a Justin Upton number to 59. Here's one of my hits. It is a Joe Nathan Auto Letterman number 236. He's a good young pitcher. Faces of the Game, Manny Ramirez number 299. Got a Faces of the Game, Tim Lynchcomb, not numbered. We'll save that one. That's the other Letterman. Got a Kyle Blanks rookie, not numbered. Got a Jonathan Neese rookie, numbered out of 299. Jobber Chamberlain Faces of the Game, not numbered. Platinum Power of Miguel Cabrera. Andrew McCutchen rookie. He looked pretty good for the Pirates this year. Really about the only good player they kept on the team. Carlos Zambrano, number to 299. Got a Carlos Quentin, Pennant Run Heroes. Vine Rodriguez, Flashback numbered out of 495. Chris Gouglon, something like that, rookie. Hey. Got a Matt Wieters auto numbered to 200. That's a pretty good one there. Faces of the Game Manny, not numbered.
What's going on, man?
Albert Pujols number to 59. Trevor Cahill, rookie, not numbered. And the last Letterman I got was Jason Motti, numbered out of 100, rookie signature for the Cardinals. All right, thanks for watching.